Welcome to Brains World. I'm Brian, that crazy Karmann Ghia guy. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing out the custom mount we made for the homemade rotisserie that we built. We're going to see what challenges we wound up having, how we overcame them, and we're going to see if it's actually going to work. Alright, we're going to try out this homemade rotisserie for the very first time. Let's see what happens. We got all of our mounts made. I'm going to walk the wheels with this lined up here. Okay. So we're going to put the 4 bolts in. It's like not long enough or something. Oh boy. It's gonna work at all. Let's try them out. There you go. All right. Huh. These are like not quite long enough. Grab. Looks like these ones on the bottom need to be a little longer. So I'm going to go ahead and use the old bolts. Bottom. I mean, two would work anyway, but let's put those on there. These are nice and snug. All right, so we got that on there. Let's give this side a try. All right, seems like it's lifting it up. All right, let's go do the other side now. So they're both connected, and then we can raise each side a little bit at a time, and we'll go from there. All right. Let's try this side out. Make sure everything matches up with these mounts that we made. Hopefully everything lines up. All right. So far, so good. All right, that side fits a little better. Look at that go. All right, it's working so far. All right, I'll raise this up a little bit. Then we'll go to the other side. Raise that one up. I'll go back and forth. A little bit of oil. All right, I'm going to go back to the other side now. I'm going to pull some of these things out that I had it resting on. This side seems to be going a little smoother than the other side. Yeah, for some reason this side definitely needs a oil. I think let me make an upgrade. I'll put some bolts on here, some nuts, and then I can use an impact wrench. It'll work a little better. I'm going to lock this down here. I think it's high enough. I'll unlock this side. All right, let's give this a try now. Should be able to turn this. So I'm gonna have to make this so it doesn't slip as easy. That's definitely a problem. So I will get that fixed. Oh. Send this one up over here. And we'll turn it the other way. Maybe that'll help. All right, so I'm definitely gonna have to center that, drill some holes so I can keep this from sliding. So we'll get to that. All right, first thing is I need to get this lined up. So let's okay, that looks kind of lined up over there. Okay. This is the first rotisserie I ever built. So There's bound to be something that I forgot to do. Make a pile, small hole first. I wonder if I should, yeah, let me try to do that. Expose that hole a little bit, might make it easier. Well, we'll see. Slide it the other way. I'll put that in. I'll mark the other hole. I'll make the other hole. Looks like the Milwaukee's starting to heat up. So I'm going to give this a break. I'm going to come back to this in just a little bit. Let this cool down. All right, so I went ahead and I drilled holes on both sides where I put these screws in here to try to keep it from slipping. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a try, and we'll see what happens. Look at that. Not slipping that way. All right, so let me go ahead and secure this on an angle. Look at that. So far, we've got it all the way on its side. Let's see if I can get it upside down. We'll lock the lever here. So this Karmann Ghia is completely upside down now. All right, so now that the rotisserie works, what we're going to do is on our next video, we're going to go ahead and cut the floor pans out finally, and we'll also get the chassis ready so that way we can install the new floor pans. All right, we'll see you next time on Brains World with your host, that crazy Karmann Ghia guy.
Don't forget to follow on Facebook.